Weigia multifunctional laser welding and cutting machine, versatile for multiple uses, can independently create various types of products. Weigia Laser has launched a groundbreaking 9-in-1 multifunctional laser machine in response to the rapid growth of the advertising market. One machine, 9 functions. Equipped with a 1000-watt fiber laser generator, effortlessly cutting various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 mm carbon steel and 3 mm stainless steel. Precision machining, exactly the way you want it, sharing edge cutting, increasing efficiency by 70%. Automatic edge seeking. Flying cutting. Micro-connected cutting. Accuracy up to 0.02 millimeters. Metal engraving. The adjustable lift platform can move up and down by 260 millimeters and comes with a rotating attachment. Platform automatic welding. Handheld fiber laser cutting, easily handling complex cutting environments. Metal cutting. Metal welding. Cleaning weld seams. Metal rust removal. (130-watt CO2 laser for non-metal cutting. Cutting a wooden board. Cardboard cutting. Acrylic cutting. Seamless integration of creativity and functionality. CO2 laser engraving, unlocking unlimited creativity with powerful engraving. Weigia 9-in-1 multifunctional laser welding and cutting machine occupies a small footprint, ideal for multifunctionality in tight spaces.